Hi, this is just a quick tutorial of how to upload a picture of your work to Teams. So first things first, you're in an assignment on Teams. You've gotten there through the team or through the assignments tab. It doesn't really matter. And you need to upload a picture of your work. This is just an old example assignment from one of my classes. It was due November 20th, so it's no longer relevant. But let's say that I'm a student and I need to upload a picture of my work to this assignment. First of all, you need to take a picture of your work. So if you're going to do that on your computer, you just need to go to the camera, which you can search for the camera down here in this right here, but I already have it pulled up. And then you would just take your picture. So that's not a very good picture. If I were your teacher and you took a picture like that, I wouldn't be very happy with you. Try to make sure you are looking over the whole page and take it more like that. That's a lot easier to see. Then that picture is going to save to your camera roll. So it's just important that unless you tell it to save somewhere else, that's where it's going to go. Then you go back into your assignment on Teams and you're going to hit add work. This can all be confusing, and if you try to look through here, you're probably not going to find it. What you need to do is hit upload from this device. And then I would go find my camera roll. And it's going to be one of these. Then it'll upload. You hit done. And it shows up right here, and you can check that it uploaded correctly. And there you go. It is going to be better quality if you do it on your phone, and then you can just email it to yourself or send it to yourself in some other form and then attach it in Teams. But it is more convenient to use your computer because then you don't have to email it to yourself. And then you just hit turn in. And then your teacher can see everything that they need to see, and it gives this cute little doodad when you turn it in. Let us know if you have any questions about that, or if you're struggling to upload a picture, but you should be able to now. So just remember that the main important thing is that you just open up the camera on your computer, you take a picture, it's going to show up in your camera roll, and then you just hit add work and then upload from this device.